So, am I moving out?
Yes, you are.
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Why is so rough?
How the vehicle? This is a care home. That's interesting. And I look at
I first might get a view of this house.
Which?
This one right in front of us.
And that lot of me look pan. Alone now you're the pan come here show. Then so we could get a and breadfruit. Them can't sell with a piece of land. Just give it for 2.5 mil.
Yeah.
We'll settle for 3 if you want to give it for 3.
We have high hopes. Okay. Hello everyone.
Wow.
Welcome back to the channel.
This house ain't being used.
No.
Oh, they refurbished a part of it. So they might take them little time I do see the wall. Yeah, and see the back windows.
Okay.
They're taking it.
Are we alone drive past house for abandoned now and fight and cuss, huh? How you think?
Like, y'all can't just give us the darn house.
Donate it to Yan and Ren.
Please.
Donate it to Yan and Ren.
Oh, wait, guys. So, remember we asked if there are any realtors out there that would love for us to come and do a review or a video of any houses for sale, any houses for rent, any Airbnbs, you know?
Or if any of our viewers have an Airbnb.
Okay.
Yeah, man,
Alright.
Man, direct traffic.
Yeah. Listen. I like that. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So if there's any, seeing as we put that request out there, we're going to put this one out there as well. So if there's anyone who has a house that they don't want and they want to donate it to us, we'll take it.
Even if it's a fixer-upper.
We'll take it, guys. We will take it. In the compressed gas.
Yeah, I see him. But I'm a race.
We will take it. Alright? In this day and age, I don't even have the words. Things are so darn expensive. It is so expensive. Oh my gosh.
You have less than half-acre land selling for how much millions?
How am I gonna get 150-year-old points for going NHD? Somebody please tell me.
50 young still, you know?
I mean, well, how much older can you be? Not very much older, not eligible for anything from them. But I'm just putting it there, like, you want people to be giving you or to be coming with a certain amount of points. Trust me, it's crazy. It's crazy out here. And these houses down here, I don't know why keep up a town. Why town price for house so cheap? Or maybe it's the ones that I'm seeing. Let me paraphrase.
Not cheap.
So, some of the houses, I'm seeing some of the houses being sold. Reasonably priced, 1, 2, 3 bedroom. I see it for like 112 mil, 111 mil. Down here, sir. But I guess those prices are probably not in the town part, but probably close to the gar part. The town.
You miss out when I town them.
Town? What?
Town part. Yes, Papa.
But I'm like, for real, it's really expensive, and it's just one of those things where as young people we want to be able to attain certain things. You know, we have our life goals, and what is it about us breaking our backs before we're able to obtain anything? And sometimes what we obtain isn't even in the category what we had hoped to obtain. But guess what? We have to just take a fixer upper and then go and little and fix it. You understand what I'm saying?
And in the case where houses are concerned, especially if there's a scheme, if you're a certain age and I get it, then I prefer to choose older folks, which is painful. Once again,
we're going back to this point system that they claim that they're not really focusing on. But from what we've observed in the previous opening, the most recent opening, application opening, whatever you want to call it, it was all simply flawed. Simply put, flawed. It was more of the same, you know?
Yeah. So today is Sunday. I've been planning to take Yanique to this particular place. I haven't told her where it is.
And he's still not telling me.
She's driving her nuts that she doesn't know where it is.
And him just fancy
and I
dancy,
keep
guys.
telling her that she is going to love it. And if she doesn't love it, I will move out.
Listen.
But she is going to love it.
Oh, you know that? How do you know
for a fact
that?
You're going to love it. But I also have a photo shoot that I have to do at 2 p.m. It is now 1:31 and I have been begging somebody from morning to get up and start get ready.
Well, see, technically you started getting ready late too. Think about it.
So
we're basically ready at the same time.
Right now, I gotta do the shoot. Well, call the person and find out where they are. Do the shoot, then, which is probably the best way, anyways. Then go there and inform them I'm going to get a haircut. Your lip up on your mouth here.
What? What?
But yeah, gonna do the shoot, then bring her to the place, and then see if I can go get a haircut.
Don't watch me digging up my nose, guys.
Please watch her digging out her nose. I will intentionally, I'll make it a point of my duty to zoom in on her digging out her nose. But anyways, see you guys in a second.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm me. Whose first time is it here? Yeah. I've been meaning to bring her here, but for whatever reason it just hasn't worked out. But I'm there now. Yes, this is Harmony Beach Park. Yes, sir. Oh my.
Don't mind me, no. I don't mean I won't ever come back here. I just need a hat. Them look at something there. When them say a dryland tourist, everything where that was a dryland tourist is what you need to come here. Cause they ain't got nothing.
Shit.
For you to sit under to block Nursery. His are very few. Let me speak properly. It's really a few, just a few. Them are palm coconut trees. Sorry, just a few coconut trees. The place is pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's really, really nice. And I'm seeing something that I've been wanting to do for the longest, which I was supposed to do for. We were supposed to do for my birthday, right, Ren?
Yep.
Parasailing.
But
parasailing.
Somebody just has this wonderfully splendiferous day off.
Yeah, so that didn't work out. That's so cool. The arch with the tree in the middle. That's so cool. And the top of the arch is what?
Tree, the number 3 is struggling though.
Nah. Catch it. You gotta catch it. Good job.
Alright, so we found one tree with like a shade.
For now.
So we just a chill. Right, so it's Sunday. So we just a chill.
I just want to
not the best time of day.
Stay behind all of that cloud. And it was drizzling earlier. We have literally a little umbrella. We're hoping that it doesn't rain, but we're also hoping that the sun doesn't come back out.
Yep.
Because it's hot.
Yeah. So I'm just waiting on the persons that I'm supposed to do the photos for, and then After that, we head where we're going. So, be right back.
Wherever he's keeping his secret, we will get to see together.
Yeah.
So guys, me, I cannot stand the heat outside. It is so hot. Little breeze, I blow out the doors, you can see, right? But it's just not enough. And I sweat so hard on a regular. A few persons would be, oh, regular temperature, the place is fine. Them not hot, them not cold, them just fine. And I will just be there sweating away. So one of the things that I think at some point Renouy and I had spoken about is, if we had to choose between a country that is possibly hot for half of the year, or in the tropics, let's say, because we're in Jamaica. So if we had to choose between Jamaica and another foreign country that experiences cool to cold temperatures, which we would choose? So Renouy chose cold, because for whatever reason, even when I'm just cool, he is just, or when I'm cold, he's perfectly fine. If we had to choose between two countries, right? One being in the tropics like Jamaica, and another foreign country that has cool to cold climate, which would you choose?
Canada.
I told you. I told you.
I don't like heat.
It makes me so miserable. When you're hot, you're just hot and you're miserable. Like, listen, I'm not prepared for this summer. Me, not prepared for this summer.
Phew, all right.
I wonder what would have happened if we were white.
That wouldn't have happened, but you know, Jamaicans being racist against Jamaicans.
We are back. So, we're back on the road.
Heading to?
No, she on a very long conversation, meant.
Oh yeah, from over Harmony.
Oh my gosh. We walked around Harmony Beach Park and this lady was on her phone. She did a full lap and done and exit the place and is now walking on Hip Strip. For those of you who don't know what Hip Strip is, this is Bottom Road of Montego Bay.
What kind of road?
Now Bottom Road.
I never did that say.
Now no Bottom. Now known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. So I'm back to wondering where on God's earth we're going.
Somewhere.
He's not telling me.
Over the rainbow.
But I sure could use a pick-me-up right now. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. And remember, I know he said, and he told you guys too, that if I don't like it, then
wow, what are you doing?
He's agreeing to move out. Where are we going?
Top road. I have to drive a bottom road. Forgot it. Part of top road where I go. So forward.
How you tell me it's a top road? You told me it's top road.
I told you it's top road, but they ain't saying top road, is it?
Guys, waiting, go in reverse. Move. Listen. Oh my God.
What is he doing?
Reversing. He gonna turn. And he arguing over there. So you're gonna go that way so he can turn this way.
Jamaicans being Jamaicans.
You're pointing that way.
So, am I moving out?
Yes, you are. Why are we here? Why are we here?
So you can enjoy. I'm gonna show you guys where we are.
So guys, he's gonna be moving out.
But
He's gonna be moving out.
But
because I make big chats. Yeah. But what's the but?
what's the but?
Me in a plant heaven. Not my choice of words. Plant heaven. Like there are so many plants here. They are so beautiful. And they have them in abundance. Like,
so yeah, we should have just come here earlier instead of stopping at Harmony Beach. But you know, still got to see a whole lot of the plants, and I know that Yanique absolutely loved that little time just now. But we got their opening hours and stuff, so that's
we'll be back.
Yeah, that's a positive.
We are going to be back.
We shall be back.
Yes, yes. We showed you guys a plant stop that we did when we were on our way to the grill, I believe it was, in one of our previous vlogs. But this one is definitely closer. So that's a plus too. It's a plus.
More variety too.
So they have a wide variety.
Even palm trees. I think, so.
They have a lot of plants.
Okay. So just coming off the job, which was a job, and somebody was. Let's not talk about that. Coming off a job, which was a job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't.
Yeah.
But, I won't talk about it.
Yeah, we're just grabbing a few stuff now. It feels nice when you kind of don't have to grocery shop. Really does. Like we have to say, Yanique say it all the time. We are definitely blessed. Very blessed. And this week is one of those weeks where we really and truly don't have to do a whole lot of grocery shopping. We're just like grab bread and some a few things. But yeah, we're just doing the do right now and then head home. So thank you for coming on this journey with us. We need cheese? I genuinely don't know. Look at the baby. Look at oh, I parrot them always. I said that, not true. Oh, hi. So, quite possibly my favorite section in any supermarket. Frutas, vegetables. I don't know if vegetables is a word.
What?
But fruits and veggies, love this place. I absolutely love this section. Yeah, cucumbers. Gotta get some cucumbers. Have to get some cucumber. Like, I swear. But yeah. Cherry. No. So, see, Yanique check if Arizona, Mecca, Arizona.
I was just curious. I saw this image on there, so I checked. It's made in New York.
Wow.
Actually, it says manufactured in New York for Arizona, whatever it is.
Okay.
Homebound, it's time to go home. Sure. Forgot where you parked.
We just gotta hope that we're in focus. Hey guys, if we look tired, that's because we are tired. Very tired. Just got back home from the supermarket from the day, which wasn't a full day, but it was a day. Just got back home. We're gonna start some cooking. Well, Yanique's gonna start some cooking. I'm gonna help where I can. I do cook, by the way, just to make it clear. I cook, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna start some editing, but again, if you were with us throughout the day or throughout the video, thank you very much. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Keep it going. We are doing so good. Yesterday we were at 250 subscribers. Now we're at 252.
Yeah.
Who knows where it's at now? Also checked on our videos of
the different
our house reviews, and they're doing so great. Like, we really truly appreciate it, and we'll try to keep it up. All right. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your Sunday or whenever you're watching this.
Whenever you get to watch it.
Yeah, I'm Renouy.
And I'm Yanique.
And we are out. Peace. Bye bye.